So here are the 3 things that affiliate marketing achieves. You feel great for earning a commission. You are helping companies gain a new customer that they didn't have before. And also, you're helping a customer discover a product which can be helpful and desirable to them. Affiliate marketing does not have to be expensive or complicated and can be accomplished without the need for a big email list or a huge budget. So what makes a great affiliate marketer? Well, I guess from my own experience is a good sense of creativity, a superb work ethic, and the determination to follow through with a plan. These 3 things alone will help set you apart from the competition of other affiliate marketers. You won't have to create any products as you are selling someone else's products, which also means that you won't have to deal with the headaches of customer support either, as all that will be taken care of by the companies that you'll be promoting. Can you start to see the sense of the power why this is such a great business model? By putting in a few hours per day to learn the strategies you'll need to make it as an affiliate marketer will give you a great head start. In my previous video, it showed you the simple process of how the blueprint of the business works. So you'll know by driving traffic to your website and then sending visitors to quality products via your affiliate links means you'll be able to start earning a small income in a matter of months, which in time will turn into a larger full-time income in the coming months and years. As an affiliate marketer, you attract customers to your site by providing quality content, which then subtly directs your visitors to products or services via your affiliate link, which is specific and personal to you. You use those affiliate links to direct customers to your vendors. If your visitors then go on to make a purchase after clicking your affiliate link, this is then tracked by the vendor, and the sale is credited to you, and you earn a commission as a result of the vendor gaining a new sale.